Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products on the market to make your life a little easier and more colorful. Today, we're exploring something truly delightful for this fall season: the Geyee 108 PCs leaf cutouts. These are without a doubt the best paper fall leaves you can find, perfect for classroom decorations, DIY crafts, or just to add a touch of autumn charm to your home. Each package comes with 108 beautifully designed leaf cutouts in 9 vibrant colors. You can expect shades like fiery reds, warm oranges, and sunny yellows, all reminiscent of a picturesque autumn landscape. These die-cut leaves are made from high-quality 200 grams coated paper, ensuring they're not just eye-catching but also durable. You won't have to worry about them tearing easily or fading away after a few days. The leaves are well cut and laminated, which means they can withstand plenty of handling. Whether you're using them for a school project, a party decoration, or simply sprucing up your living space. And the best part? Each pack comes with 120 glue points, making it super easy to stick them wherever your creativity takes you. Now, let's talk about versatility. These leaf cutouts are perfect for so many occasions. If you're a teacher, these make for fantastic classroom decorations. You can use them for bulletin boards, educational displays, or even fun autumn-themed crafts with your students. But it doesn't stop there. These leaves are ideal for personalizing your space. Whether you're crafting thank you cards, party invitations, or simply looking to brighten up your home decor, these leaf cutouts allow for endless creativity. You can even let the kids go wild with paints, markers, and sequins to make their own unique pieces of art. What I truly love about these cutouts is how they foster creativity in children. They can create their own masterpieces or learn about the different types of leaves and the beauty of autumn. It's not just about decoration, it's about encouraging imagination and hands-on activities. So, if you're looking to bring the beauty of fall indoors, the Geyee 108 PCs leaf cutouts are an excellent choice. They come at a price of just $12.99, which is quite a steal for the quality and quantity you receive. Plus, they're easy to store and reuse year after year, making them a smart investment for seasonal decor. In summary, the Geyee leaf cutouts are not only vibrant and durable but also incredibly versatile for a range of creative projects. Whether you're a teacher, a parent, or just someone who loves autumn, these cutouts are sure to enhance your decor and inspire creativity. So, head over to Amazon and grab your pack today. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product insights. See you next time, and happy crafting!